Hello, in this video I will show you how to quickly add a large number of learners to the system by importing a CSV file and assign custom variables at the same time. This feature is especially useful when you need to create multiple users at once and assign additional attributes such as department, city, or other custom properties. Instead of creating each learners manually, you can upload a single file and have a fully configured learner database ready in just a few minutes. To begin the bulk learners invitation progress, navigate to the Learners Management section and click Invite Learners. Then select Info from CSV file. You can either upload your own prepared file or use the sample template if your files is not ready yet. To upload your file, click Upload a file and select it from your device. Once the file has been uploaded, you will see a table containing all learners to be imported, along with the total number of records. At this stage, the system automatically validates the data and highlights any potential errors in the rows if any are detected. The next step is mapping CSV columns to system variables. The email, first name, and last name are mapped automatically. All other columns must be mapped manually using the drop-down menus. The system provides helpful suggestions and validates the data. If a variable has already been assigned to one column, it will no longer be available for selection in other columns. If the required variables does not yet exist, you can create it directly during the import process. To do this, click the variable selection field and choose Create New Variable. Then, under the variable name, select its type and click Add Variable. The new variable will immediately appear in the list and can be assigned to the corresponding column. If needed, you can also add learners to the special teams. To do this, simply click Add Learners to the team and choose a team where you want to add your learners. You can also send email invitations to learners immediately by checking the corresponding option. The Import Learners button will become active only after all columns have been correctly mapped and validated. Just click Import Learners to invite the learners. Once the import is complete, the learners will be added to the Academy. After they log in, all assigned variables will be available in their profiles under the Parameter and Variables section. I hope this helps and good luck with your Academy!